West Side.
Never since a nigga was a seed, only thing promised to me was the penitentiary. Still ballin', riding on these niggas cause they lame. In a 6-1 Chevy, still heavy in this game. Can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga. Before the sun rise, quicker than the drug dealers. Tell me if it's on. Nigga, then we first of all bust on these bitch made niggas. Hit 'em up, West Side. Ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I love my female strap. The fucking from the back, I get my currency stacks. California's where I'm at. Riding, pass by while these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Cry, hell nah, nigga, tear shit. For all my homies in the pen, many peers dead, niggas still ball. Till the day I die, you can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'.
They done did it, let the dog out the cage. I'm pumped, dumped with the gauge. I done did it all. Everywhere I go, I ball. Precise, keep my game tight, or for sure I fall. I'm the invincible. And since the top principles loot, like the heat to the mark, who got the heart to shoot? I get stitches. Played a game of BB bridges when I was young, dreaming about money, fame, and bitches. I like fat asses, fat money bags and cash and masses. Slowly as time passes, I found nothing but money rules, time and space. And in this realm, my thoughts for all the fucking murders take.